Hey guys, I'm here today with one of our four-wheel drive systems, BYD Shark long-range fuel tanks, which we've just released. So these are our 120 litre replacement tank. So it's exactly double the fuel capacity from the factory 60 litres. So I'm going to run through a few things with the tank here. We've got a few bits and pieces over here, which we've custom engineered for this vehicle. Starting with the tank, we've got our tanks. So these are 100% Australian made here in South Australia. We've recently been certified Australian made as well. It retains the factory fuel filler, the factory sender unit, the factory EFI fitting, which we'll get to in a second, all of the factory fuel lines, the factory bash plates go straight back onto the vehicle. It doesn't compromise your ground clearance at all. So it's a 100% direct fit replacement tank. Just gonna make this one real quick. So first thing over here, we've got our custom machine sender unit. So this sender unit here, I'll show you, is welded into the top of the tank. This is CNC machined, and it is a direct fitment for your factory fuel sender unit. So it's got a locator, you don't have to do any modifications. It's got hold down bolts, and it comes with a hold down ring. So you drop your sender unit in, you bolt it on, done. It takes 30 seconds, there's nothing else to worry about. For our EFI fitting, the BYD Shark is a little bit different to anything else that we've encountered. So it's got a EFI breather, unlike anything else in the market, and there was no fittings available that we could find that we could then use. So we've custom engineered this fitting here. It replicates the factory fitting, and it screws straight into our tank just here. So it means that when the tank goes in, you clip the fitting on and it's done. It takes literally 1 second. There is no messing around. You don't have to cut any fuel lines, and it's in the factory location. Same thing, the filler, it's the same diameter. It bolts straight on. Don't have to worry about anything there. Down the bottom on the side here, you can't really see it in the video, we've got a magnetic drain plug. All of our tanks have this. It screws straight in. It's there if you need to decant a fuel out while you're on a trip. If you pick up bad fuel or you get some contamination, the magnet picks up anything metallic, and then you can drain your fuel out. Over here, people have been asking, why does the top of the tank look like this? So this part of the tank here is 100% usable. You can fill it right way to the top. These two compartments here are for expansion of your fuel. So as the fuel heats up and cools down, the vapors need to expand and contract. That's what these two compartments are for. Very, very important. We need to have that. What else we got? I will flip the tank up. So what you can see here, that's the drain plug. We've got these mounting points here. Now these mounting points here are so that the bash plate can reattach to the vehicle. So the tank is now replacing some of those mounting points. Absolutely no loss of ground clearance. So that's one of the biggest things with this fuel tank. It does not compromise your ground clearance, and being a petrol tank, it is the lowest point on the vehicle from factory. So we haven't taken away any of that protection. BYD has put that there for a reason. So we're going to retain all of it. We got provision here, this cutout here, the fuel filter, same position as factory, serviceability, you don't have to remove anything, it all fits straight in. And you're probably thinking, why do our brackets look like this? So we've put an enormous amount of engineering into these. These brackets got all about circles, all sorts of odd shapes. We've got flex plates, we've got engineered brackets. These are designed to move with the vehicle and support the tank. Obviously, we've increased the volume by double. So these brackets are designed to support that additional volume, move with the vehicle chassis, because chassis are not 100% solid. They move a lot. I'll quickly just run through the construction of our tank. So it's the same as all of our other fuel tanks, 2 mil construction the whole way around. We've got internal baffles to stop fuel slosh in numerous dimensions of the tank. Around the sender unit, we have got what we call a fuel corral. It funnels the fuel around the pickup so that when you're going up and down terrain, the fuel stays centered and your pickup doesn't run dry. If you guys got any questions, shoot through an inquiry to Four-Wheel Drive Systems. Give us a buzz on the phone, send through a Facebook message, Instagram message. And just one final thing, these are super easy to fit. They take about 3 hours, 100% direct fitment. Yeah.